All right.
Hold it there. Is it a good background?
Oh yeah, beautiful background.
Let me get ready.
Okay.
No, not up close, Cody. Not up close.
This close?
So we are here in Waynesville, North Carolina, and you may be asking, what are we doing here? Well,
we're skiing.
are you trying to throw that in there like that?
This is how you pack.
Oh, you get your mask.
Okay, I did already.
So we're here. We just got to Waynesville, North Carolina, and you can see our Airbnb. And then across the street, there's like a lot of buildings and things like that. And there's actually a restaurant just below us, so that's pretty cool. I'll put a link to it down below in the description in case you guys want to look at it.
All right, so this is our Airbnb. We've got the lovely dining area, the kitchen, which is actually a decent sized kitchen.
It is big.
Nice living room. Each room has its own thermostat, overlooking the city.
The town.
A bedroom, a bathroom, and then another bathroom.
Yeah, it's big.
The place.
Well, good morning, everybody. So it is a very cold morning today. So I'm actually heading right now to get the cake. So this weekend we're actually celebrating Cody's birthday. It's his 25th birthday. I want to get a cake. I had it ordered. He doesn't know about it. So I'm gonna go there right now at this local bake shop. I just woke up, so if my voice is a little raspy, that is why. Got the cake. Now we're heading back. Well, it took me like 5 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's cute, right?
It's so cute.
Vanilla.
Oh my goodness.
Look at these cool cameras. They're old.
You should get one.
Thank you.
Logan, what do you? They don't.
So we are back right now from getting coffee, and we're looking for a place to rent ski pants from because I've never been skiing before, so I don't have any. So we're gonna find a place to rent ski pants from and then go on up to the mountain. It's about 25 minutes from where we are right now, so not too far.
I don't know what to do now. You're good. Okay, so focus on which way. Oh yeah, you don't want to cross them. That'll be hard, but you're good. It's gonna take.
Act like you're walking and pick up your feet.
Just slide.
Just like slide.
All right. Listen, I'm gonna get it.
feel like I do need those sticks.
I don't think so.
I'm ready, let's try it. I did good. I'm gonna go down there.
Look, keep your skis like this.
Okay.
While you're skiing.
I'm ready. This one looks really hard.
Come on. Logan. Not overlap it. Logan!
I'm sorry. If I'm going down, I wanted you to go down with me. Where's that one go?
It's the larger one. We'll do that now.
We won't actually. This is torture. So, we just got back from skiing and I'm tired. So now we're gonna get some food. And I think we're gonna go to this pizza place called...
It's not pizza, it's tacos.
It's not tacos.
It's tacos. It's called Saucier.
Sauce.
Sauciers.
Sauce.
Sauciers.
It's not called that. It's pizza. You're
Okay.
completely wrong. If you're expecting pizza or tacos, you're gonna be in for
It
a rude
has
awakening.
tacos. Alright, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Okay.